Lightweight, portable cooking tongs for camping and backpacking. Unique pivoting design collapses from 7.75 to 6.7 inches long. Reinforced handles support even heavy items. Tongs weigh just 1.6 ounces, backed by full manufacturer's warranty. Backcountry utensils take a turn for the best. Top reviews from the United States. Great foldable tongs for camping. Used these on my last trip, and it really helped with cooking. The whole spatula/spoon thing wasn't working as well, so grabbed these. They were super helpful in the kitchen. They don't fold as compact as you would think, but they are lightweight, easy to clean, and worked great. For my overland rig, don't really care that they aren't as compact, as I have some storage room. As always, GSI gear is always good stuff, and have yet to have any issues with any of their products. Always feel confident when purchasing their gear.